AI tools are everywhere, and Lykos AI claims to simplify complex tasks like image generation or stable diffusion workflows. But before you subscribe or upload your data, is Lykos AI truly legit and useful, or is it overhyped? Let's dive in. So Lykos AI is marketed as a tool to streamline AI image workflows. According to some sources comparing AI tools, Lykos AI is said to simplify processes, often a user-friendly interface, and make things like stable diffusion more accessible, allegedly allowing non-technical users to generate or process AI images without heavy configuration. In theory, that's appealing, especially if you want to avoid installing local software or dealing with complex setup. Some of the advertised advantages, according to the reviews and comparisons, include a simplified interface for generating or handling AI-based images and data, good for beginners or casual users. Useful for users who don't want to manage local installations or complicated dependencies, especially if they only need occasional or light AI usage. It might help streamline certain workflows. For example, for social media content, quick mockups or rapid prototyping, where good enough AI output is better than none. But there are serious caveats you should know before trusting Lycos AI wholesale. A review of the domain site flagged high risk. One validator tool gave the site a very low trust score of 4.6 out of 100, meaning the website shows many signs common to risky or scam sites. That means even if the tool works technically, there is a potential risk around data privacy, payment security, and long-term accessibility. If the provider disappears or changes policies, users may be left hanging. According to reviewers and comparison sites, the usefulness of Lycos AI depends heavily on input data quality, and it may oversimplify complex AI tasks. For serious or professional use, the results might fall short. Finally, because of the low trust score and high risk signals, there are no guarantees of long-term reliability. You'll be relying on a tool whose future stability is uncertain. Lycos AI might be reasonable if you are a hobbyist or a casual user wanting to toy with AI-generated images without spending time on setup. Want a quick, lightweight AI tool for a simple task and not professional-grade results, and are comfortable with potential risks. Treat it like a try-at-your-own-risk sandbox rather than a core production tool. You should probably avoid it if you need consistent, high-quality, reliable outputs for commercial projects and client work, and care deeply about privacy, data security, and long-term access, and prefer tools with transparent ownership, solid reputation, and strong community support. So is Lycos AI worth it? Maybe, but only with caution. It has a potentially useful interface for casual AI image users and could be okay for experimentation. However, serious red flags around trust and reliability mean you can't count on it for critical or long-term projects. If you try it, think of it as a nice-to-have gamble, not a dependable tool. If dependability, quality, and trust matter to you, we'd recommend looking for more established AI tools with transparent reputation and security history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.